Today I'm exposing the behind the scenes of filming a food vlog for my other channel that I run with my boyfriend. We're hitting up 4 different food spots in the city, and I want to take you through my process, the challenges, and our reality of filming a vlog in a busy city. Starting with my morning routine and the prep for the day. Let's go. Alright. It is 7:49 and we are heading out the door for our filming day. Ready to go. Hopefully it's not too cold in the city today because this is all I'm bringing. Jean jacket. Heated up some of my egg bites for meal prep. Also got a ginger shot and gonna bring a water bottle with electrolytes. Always have electrolytes on filming days. Then I'm gonna be switching over and vlogging the rest of this on my camera because we're gonna be using the main camera for the food vlog. The only thing with the iPhone 12, oops, I didn't mean to do that. The only thing with the iPhone 12 is that selfie camera is not the best. It just doesn't give the wide shots and it's not as crisp. Oh my God, how do I loosen this? Can you switch these? Oh yes. Switching this attachment because this one switches from like long form to short form way quicker. The other one, it's like a huge process. Ugh, I hate that I'm gonna have to film like that because I can't see anything. We'll see how we go. I might switch it around. You guys might be getting the cropped in shot. That's not as good quality, but this is behind the scenes, okay? So you get what you're gonna get. The quality is not there, but the vibe will be. Ginger shot. We got portable chargers. We got chargers for our camera batteries, USB cords, extra camera batteries, all ready to go. So that's going in the tech bag. This is our tech bag. Got it off of Temu?
I think so.
Temu or Amazon? It's been great. Yeah. We just got to the parking garage and realized that the van isn't going to fit in there, so now we have to find a new one. We love this van and being able to camp and travel in it, but sometimes it would be very helpful to have a smaller car for when we're not going camping.
To be fair, this van does fit under most standard city car parks, 2.1 meters. For some reason, this one is 100 mil shorter than a standard city car park, which has done us in.
And it's like one of the like popular ones.
Yeah.
Ooh, shit.
Play on.
Oh. We have just parked in the city. We're at the exhibition center. We're gonna go to the bathroom and then we're at the girls' toilet. I don't know where the women's bathroom is. Doug went in that one. We just go into the women's bathroom. You guys. You're in the women's bathroom. Yes, you are. I walked by because I was like, where's the woman? We are off to a great start, you guys. He brought the camera into the women's bathroom in the middle of the city. We are here outside the convention center. We're trying to find a good spot to get the intro shots. Luckily, the sun is behind the clouds right now, so we don't have any harsh shadows, which is good. So we want the city behind us, so we're trying to set that up now.
And this is how we film. This is the behind the scenes point of view.
Show them your jacket. We're ready. busy today. That's one of the things we're going to have to get over today is fear of vlogging in public. The fear of vlogging in public, for us, it comes and goes. Today, I'm not really feeling it too much, but it helps when you have someone else. Sometimes when I'm on my own, I feel it a lot more, but you kind of just have to roll with it.
Yeah, you just got to push till you get over it, to be honest.
Yeah. And then like, it just comes in waves throughout the day. So I'm sure later today, I'll be definitely a lot more anxious about it. But right now, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling fun. I'm feeling sassy. Yeah.
Another backup location has been found. Let's go.
Which is somewhere around here. So as you can see, we're literally on the side of the road right now filming. We just ate at our first location and everyone is staring at us right now. So I feel a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. But I couldn't even finish my whole thing. I had to put the rest of it in my backpack. So we'll be taking home some snacks, I think, today. We have finished up at the second place. 2 more places to go. We are getting so full. It's so cold out though, but so we don't want to go out there right now, and we are kind of bunkering in here, putting it off. But the sooner we get it done, the sooner we can do all the other things we have to do.
The next place is snack, yeah?
I don't know. I'm just so cold.
So unless we go to like a Starbucks or something, grab a coffee.
Yeah, that would be good actually. I need a tea, so I think we're gonna take a little break in between and go find a cafe to just get a warm tea and digest before the next place.
Someone that has a toilet.
That's creepy. It's a bunch of dolls. In the city right now, and I used to live around the corner from where we are right now, and I used to always see people walking around the streets eating this, and I'm finally going to check it off of my list.
All right. 301.
We are at the last place. We are tired and we are full, but we're pushing through. We still do the grocery shopping later today, so one more to go. Can we fit any more food in our stomachs? All right, we have wrapped up in the city. We are all done, and I am so full. I could not eat another thing. We ticked off everything on the list. I'm a little worried that we don't have enough B-roll, but we have a whole, like 3 other parts of this series where we can make up for that if we did not get enough today. Oh my God, my hair is everywhere. So we will see. We are heading back to the van and it is so cold. We have grocery shopping to do, but I hope this helped give you a little bit of behind the scenes of a day of like publicly vlogging in the city and kind of like the preparation behind that, a little bit of insight. If you do have any questions, I'm happy to answer that. And I want to help the person that's just wondering, how do people just do this? Like breaking it down, like seeing behind the curtain. And that's what I hope. I just wanted to like pull back the curtain on what it's actually like. I know as I started my creator journey, I just wanted to know like How do they do it all? How is it done? And just get, like, be a fly on the wall. So I hope that you felt like that in this video today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I hope to see you in the comments. Bye.
Bye behind the scenes.
Bye behind the scenes.